First dates, just hearing those words might make your palms sweat a little. They're exciting, sure, but also come with a mix of nerves and anticipation. You're wondering, will she like me? Am I saying the right things? And most importantly, how can I leave her wanting more? Let's be honest, first dates are about more than just impressing someone. They're about connection, making her feel comfortable, valued, and genuinely curious about seeing you again. The good news? It's not as complicated as it seems. In fact, small, thoughtful actions can make a world of difference. So, if you're ready to walk away from your next first date knowing she's looking forward to the second, let's dive into what works, what doesn't, and how to make your time together unforgettable. Stay tuned, because the details in the next part might just change your dating game forever. 1. Be punctual, respect her time. Let's start with something simple but powerful, being on time. It might seem like a small detail, but showing up punctually says a lot about you. It tells her you respect her time and, by extension, her as a person. No one likes waiting around, especially on a first date. Picture this, you've planned to meet at 7 p.m. Instead of rushing in at the last minute, you arrive a few minutes early, calm and collected. She walks in and sees you waiting with a smile. That first impression sets the tone for the entire evening. Now, life happens, and sometimes delays are unavoidable. If that's the case, a quick message letting her know you're running late can go a long way. It shows consideration, and that's key. Remember, being on time isn't just about logistics, it's about making her feel like she's a priority. And when you do, you're already one step closer to that second date. 2. Dress to impress, but stay true to yourself. Here's the thing, your outfit is your first conversation before words even come out of your mouth. Dressing well doesn't mean wearing a suit to a casual cafe, it means showing you care about the occasion while still being authentic to who you are. Imagine this, you're meeting her for a walk in the park. You show up in clean, well-fitted casual wear that's comfortable yet stylish. It shows you've thought about the setting and made an effort. On the flip side, showing up in overly formal or sloppy clothes sends a message that you either tried too hard or didn't try at all. But don't worry, this isn't about being a fashion expert. Stick to something that fits the vibe of the date and reflects your personality. For example, if you're grabbing dinner at a nice restaurant, opt for a crisp shirt and clean shoes. Going for coffee? A neat sweater and jeans work just fine. When you're comfortable in what you're wearing, your confidence shines through, and confidence is always attractive. So, put some thought into your outfit, but remember, the best thing you can wear is self-assurance. 3. Show genuine interest in her. Let's talk about what really makes a connection, showing you're genuinely interested in her. It's not about memorizing clever lines or trying to impress her with your achievements, it's about making her feel seen and heard. For example, if she mentions she loves hiking, don't just nod and move on. Ask her about her favorite trails or the most exciting hike she's done. Show curiosity. People open up when they feel someone is truly interested in what they're sharing. But here's the secret, it's not just about the questions you ask, it's also about how you listen. Are you maintaining eye contact? Are you nodding, smiling, or giving thoughtful reactions? These little gestures let her know you're fully engaged. And remember, balance is key. Don't turn the conversation into an interrogation or talk only about yourself. A great date feels like a natural back-and-forth exchange, where both of you have the chance to shine. Bottom line. When she walks away thinking, he really paid attention to me, you're already standing out from the crowd. 4. Be confident, not cocky. Confidence is magnetic. It shows her you're comfortable in your own skin and sets the stage for an enjoyable time together. But there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance, and it's one you don't want to cross. Think of it like this. Instead of boasting about your latest promotion, share a story about a challenge you overcame at work. It's not about saying, look how amazing I am, but rather, here's what I've learned and how it's shaped me. confidence lies in humility and authenticity. If you're feeling nervous, that's completely normal. The trick is to channel those nerves into excitement. Take a deep breath, stand tall, and remind yourself, you're here to have fun, not to prove anything. And don't forget to lift her up, too. Compliment her in a way that feels natural, like, you've got such an interesting perspective on that. It's refreshing. Making her feel valued shows you're secure enough in yourself to celebrate someone else. In the end, confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being present. When you focus on the moment and enjoy yourself, she'll feel it too, and that's what leaves a lasting impression. 5. Add a dash of humor. Let's face it, dates can be a little nerve-wracking, but nothing breaks the ice like a good laugh. Humor has a way of putting people at ease, creating a fun and relaxed atmosphere. It doesn't mean you have to be a stand-up comedian, just be playful and lighthearted. For instance, if something funny happens during the date, like a waiter accidentally bringing the wrong dish, use the moment to share a laugh instead of getting annoyed. Or, if the conversation gets a bit too serious, throw in a witty comment to lighten the mood. But here's the golden rule, keep it natural and read the room. What makes you laugh might not always land the same way with her, so avoid jokes that are too edgy or could be taken the wrong way. Instead, focus on shared humor, those little moments you both find amusing. Humor isn't just about cracking jokes, it's about creating moments she'll remember fondly. When she's smiling because of you, that's when you know the connection is building. And who doesn't want to spend time with someone who makes them laugh? 6. Respect boundaries and avoid controversial topics. A first date is all about building rapport, and that starts with respect. Respect for her opinions, comfort zones, and the overall vibe of the conversation. Diving into heavy or polarizing topics, like politics or past relationships, can quickly turn a pleasant evening into a tense one. Think of it this way, the goal is to create a safe, enjoyable space where both of you can relax and get to know each other. Stick to light, engaging topics like hobbies, travel, or even favorite movies. These are great conversation starters that let you bond without putting either of you on the spot. For example, if she shares a personal story about her family or work, listen attentively and respond thoughtfully without prying too much. Respect is about understanding when to push for more detail and when to let the conversation flow naturally. And if a tricky topic does come up, stay calm, keep your tone neutral, and steer the conversation back to common ground. The key is to show her you're considerate and adaptable, a quality that speaks volumes about your character. When you respect her boundaries, you're showing her that you value her comfort. And that's exactly the kind of impression that makes her want to see you again. 7. End on a high note. How you say goodbye on a first date can leave just as strong an impression as how you said hello. But final moments are your chance to seal the connection and leave her thinking, I can't wait to see him again. First, keep it simple and genuine. If you had a great time, tell her. For example, you could say something like, I really enjoyed tonight. You're such great company, it would be wonderful to do this again. This shows appreciation without coming across as overly eager or pressuring her. Next, don't forget to thank her for coming out. A little gratitude goes a long way in showing her that you value the time she spent with you. Even something casual like, thanks for meeting up tonight. I had a great time, keeps the goodbye warm and memorable. And remember, body language matters here too. End with a friendly, confident gesture, whether it's a handshake, a warm smile, or a quick hug, depending on the tone of the date. Most importantly, don't overthink it. Leaving the date on a positive, relaxed note creates a sense of anticipation. When she's driving home thinking about how easy and fun it was to be around you, chances are, she'll be looking forward to that second date. Conclusion, wrapping it all up. So, there you have it, a roadmap to making your first date one she'll remember for all the right reasons. It's not about trying to be perfect or overthinking every move. It's about being thoughtful, present, and genuine. Think back to the essentials, Show up on time, dress with care, make her feel heard, exude quiet confidence, bring a touch of humor, respect her boundaries, and end the evening on a high note. Each of these steps is simple on its own, but together, they create an experience she won't forget. Remember, first dates aren't interviews, they're opportunities to connect. When you focus on making her feel comfortable and valued, you're setting the foundation for something more. So, here's your challenge: take what you've learned and put it into action. The next time you go on a first date, be intentional, enjoy the moment, and watch how it transforms the experience for both of you. Who knows? That second date might just be the start of something amazing. Good luck, you've got this.